Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ford Focus SE. Under the hood we have a 2.0-liter i4 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in red. It does look great. You got the Ford badging up front here with your black grille. You do have your halogen headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our Continental brand tires with our 17-inch rims in the black. It looks great. Do have your mirrors right there with the turning signals, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle we do have the SE badging as well as the Ford and the Focus. You got your backup camera there and your parking sensors down along the bottom. Open it up, there's just a button right here. Lots of room back here, tons of storage. Looks great. You can fold those seats forward if you did need. You can also lift this up, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there. Hopefully you never need it, but if you did, it's right there. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. That one opens up the back, and you got your panic button there. Plus, you got 2 presses to activate your remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and your locks are just right up here. You got your handle here and some storage just in here, as well as a little bit of storage just down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. The seats are very comfortable as well, very soft. You do have this one that leans the seats back and forward and all that. As well, you do have the controls over your lights here, so you have your on, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your auto. You got your fog lights down here, and this one opens up the back, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And you got your turning signals right here as well. Okay, let's start up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have a speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our speed right up there, as well as the temperature outside, and our kilometers, 22,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around a bit to your trip odometer. You got your average fuel, your fuel icon there. You got your distance till empty, your trip timer, and then all of those different options there. You can switch it around to different options as well, like your trip, your information, settings, all those guys in there. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your cruise control options, horn in the center, and your Bluetooth options over here with your call out, your voice recognition, as well as your volume up and down and whatnot. You also have your windshield wiper control right here, and if you pull this, you do have your high beams. In the center, you do have your display right there, and you do have your AM, your FM, and all those right there, as well as you do have your Sirius XM right here. You got your media tab if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, the line, the mobile app, or all those guys there, as well as you do have your USB and aux cord. You have your phone options if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth. You have your menu right here as well, all the different options. You can change the sound as well. You do have your backup camera if you are in reverse. Very useful. You can also see a little bit closer view, just like that. Then that is all control from down here, so you have your different buttons here. You have the eject for your CD player, volume up and down. You have your presets as well as your phone dialing right here. You have your tuner there, radio, Sirius media, selectors, skips there, phone options, menu, your sound, hazard lights there. And then down in the climate control here, we do have the power up and down, AC, you got your defrosts. You also have the power it's going to blow out of, circulation and heat and AC there. USB plug-in, some little bit of storage there, a little plug-in right here, and your gear shift right here like that. You also have your cup holders and your e-brake as well. You can open this up and you do have your USB and an aux cord plug-in in there. And then right over here, we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top, we got some lights and a sunglass holder right here. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have the control over your windows. You have your handle, little handle here, and some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here as well. Same material as the front. Very nice and soft. You can also press this button and fold it forward, and then you got a bit of extra room back there if you did need it. And there's our 2.0-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ford Focus SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.